the best part of that.
No!
Okay, you can do it.
I like doing one at a time.
Hi, welcome back to Style by Esther. As you might have seen, if you follow us on social media or me on social media, I recently entered the Nick's Face Awards. I re-uploaded and edited my Pennywise video, and I got into the top 30.
Yay! And who pressured you to enter?
You did.
Mm-hmm.
I wasn't going to do it, and I didn't, because we only found out about it a few days before, and then we saw that the cutoff was the next morning. Russell wanted me to, in the middle of the night at 11 p.m, record a whole new video and come up with some kind of makeup. But I was like, well, how about I just re-edit this one?
Lazy. Lazy.
So I re-edited it, cut it down, took out all the stupid shit, and put up that, and we got in. And so it's pretty cool. Looks like I'm the only guy.
Yep, only guy.
This year. There was 3 last year, but from what we had a look at back last year. Yeah. So that's cool. Only guy, only drag queen. But anyway, part of being in the top 30 means you get a whole lot of free stuff. And we got our delivery of free makeup from NYX Australia. So we're going to open it and we're going to do an unboxing video, which Russell's always wanted to do some kind of unboxing video. I've half opened it because I got a bit excited. And then, do you want to do it?
No, you do it.
Okay. So let's see what we get. So we have our first challenge. We already know what it is. The challenge is avant-garde. So I need to come up with some kind of avant-garde look, which is quite, I think, is quite a broad
Fashion, art,
it's quite a broad
music,
genre to narrow something down with. So it's been a bit difficult, but we've come up with something and
Is there anything in the paper?
recording it in the next few days. No.
Ooh.
Right, should we go with the
Butcher's paper, yay!
So there's some boxy things. Ooh. So we have the set, the liquid suede cream vault minis. Yeah, you can hold it.
Ooh.
Right.
Yay. Oh.
Fun Girl's done his nails finally.
Don't look at
He's
this
gonna do
hand.
mine
Look at
soon.
this.
Mine-
this
don't look
this
mine,
one
too.
hand.
Chipped off.
The other hand, I've been doing work, so the crystal's falling off.
Go to Goodies, little box set. It comes with a lip liner, a lipstick, and it's eyeshadows. Okay, neutral kind of grey eyeshadows.
It's pretty.
Cool, isn't that right? We have
Ooh.
Matte versus Metals Vault Contre Metallics is fresh. I've never tried the metal one, so that'll be interesting to see.
Ooh.
It was a red one. Ooh, that looks nice. Do we go all there's stuff from the sponsors? So the sponsors of the NYX Face Awards this year is Garnier and
Obviously.
Redken. Is there another one? I think that must be.
And Priceline
Well, Priceline,
Pharmacy.
of course. Oh yeah, where'd that fall down? I saw that just a second ago. We
This
get,
is pretty.
which is really handy for me because this is where I got all my hair, wig styling and hairstyling supplies. We get a $100 voucher for Priceline. Thank you, Priceline. I will be going in there this afternoon to buy a shitload of hairspray because I've got lots of wigs to get finished. Well, I've always
And
got,
maybe some more makeup.
oh yeah, I've always got wigs to do, but that's where I get my hairspray, so, and my rollers and my combs and all that kind of stuff.
I like this one. It's pretty.
Valid for 3 years. Now that will be gone within a day. Okay.
Maybe a little present for me. Because I told you to do it.
What do you want?
I know. Something pretty.
Now what?
Maybe I can dye my hair.
What?
Nail polish.
Wow, this is a big one. Soft matte lip cream vault. Oh, these are the lip creams instead of the liquid suede. Lots of neutrals and nudes. Oh, there's a couple of fun colours there. The blue and the green. Oh.
These lips are bigger. Oh, so they got different design. They're like this. They're like landing. Whereas these ones are like.
Are they? Oh, let's see. Oh, they're not as wide. Oh, these are like.
See, like
These lip colours.
and then you got.
That one looks cool. Let's go with some of the Redken and Garnier stuff. Ooh, face scrubbing things. Cool. Skin stuff. So we have anti-black. Is it the same thing? No, anti-blackhead charcoal exfoliating gel. Oh, we can use that. Put in the shower. Charcoal anti-blackhead.
I've got beautiful skin.
Is that technically a blackhead to ingrown hair? Is that not what an ingrown hair is?
Don't talk about that shit on here.
Well, he was picking one earlier, so I thought. Is that what that does? Is that a blackhead? No, blackheads are just dirty pores. I don't get blackheads. Well, I don't. Maybe I don't. You do. I can see some. You need to do that thing where you squish your nose like.
No, it's not.
25 benefits. One united, all-in-one multi-benefit treatment for hair. For hair. A hair treatment. Looks fancy. I wonder what it smells like. It's like hair stuff. Redken hairspray. Forceful 23. Forceful. Super strength. Oh, okay. I'm thinking I might try this out on a wig. See how it goes. And might be like, ba-bow. Product placement. What's it smell like?
All-in-one treatment.
Oh, smells nice. Oh,
That's good.
that's good. We have some face mask. Pure charcoal tissue mask.
Mine.
Yes, okay. I don't really use face masks that much because sometimes I tend to, hyaluronic acid. I tend to react, and for some reason.
Mine.
I've got a hairspray in my mouth. We have a Garnier Skin Active BB Cream. Is that a shade, universal shade? So you could use this maybe. I probably use this on a daily, for an everyday.
Because I don't need foundation
one.
because I'm beautiful. I only need like a BB cream.
I'll give it a go. No, I like BB creams. I normally just use real tinted moisturizer or something really light. I use the NYX droppy, what are they called? Total Control Drop Foundation. That's what I used on Saturday and it was really good. Do you like it? Does it match okay? We'll see in the video if it matches. Because previously I've done a video as boy makeup and it just didn't look very good.
It looked horrible.
It was very yellow.
Atrocious.
Oh, we've got a big giant bag of crap.
Woo. Is that it?
That's it.
Oh, there's bubble wrap.
Oh,
That's
and bubble
another-
wrap. That's the best part of that.
No!
That's because you're not got big hands.
No!
Okay, you can do it.
I like doing one at a time. So soothing. Helps anxiety, depression.
And you keep that. You need
What
that
a
in.
beautiful sound. I'll make an outfit.
So what are we going to do then?
Maybe we could use this for his avant-garde.
Avant
I'll
chic.
make a
Avant
hat.
shit. Avant average. Bun, there you go. Bubble bun. Bubble wrap bun. Anyway, moving on. No,
Continue.
it's making... Would you want to get what we got? Okay, we got, lots of liquid suede by the looks, so let's get that. Here, hold them. And tell me what the colours are.
Where's the colours?
On the bottom, no?
Ooh, this one's metallic.
I thought it looked metallic.
Ooh. They're all metallic.
We have the NYX Avant Pop.
Oh, like avant-garde.
Yeah, I'm hoping if we say it's Avant, like avant-garde anyway, that's what I've assumed, but lots of people say Avant, and I'm like, I'm pretty sure it's Avant. Avant Pop. What are these things? Are these like cream highlighty things, I think?
Why don't you take it out and read it?
I am. Whole lot of these, which is
Give me one. Gimme.
Bright Idea Illuminating Stick. Illuminating sticks. Okay.
Does that mean highlight?
I think so. Do you want to? Which colour do you want to open? Let's open one and try it out on you. We'll try it on you. That one? That's
No,
the
I want a
champagne.
unicorn
Pink.
one.
This one, the purple.
Yeah.
Okay, and we've got an Angel Veil primer.
Which I like.
Have you had it? Oh, it's creamy. Ooh, look at it. And that's it, done! Yeah. Do you want to look at yourself? I got no mirror. Bam. Look at that though, look at that.
It's so wonderful having your own makeup artist.
Even though you hate putting makeup on. He's like,
I know.
Stop touching my face.
I know. He's very violent with his brushes.
Yeah, because I can get away with being rough with you.
I like it. It's nice. It's nice. It's interesting.
In conclusion, that is our unboxing for our Next Place Awards Top 30 free goods package.
Thank you, more honey. Thank you.
Thank you to Nix and thank you Garnier, thank you Redken, and thank you to Priceline. The next video challenge has to be up by May the 2nd, which is next Wednesday. So yeah, the next video uploaded will be the top 30 challenge.
God! And you have to vote.
And yeah, so yeah, it's all about online voting. So I will be sharing on social media when that is ready to vote. You can vote 3 times per day.
So you better be
voting. I think
voting.
it's going to be like over 3 days that you can vote.
Only 3 days.
I think so. It could be longer. I don't know. We'll figure it out. So yeah, so follow me on social media. Esther Rix. I've changed my Instagram to Esther Rix Miss Gay Australia. Is my personal Instagram. If you want to follow Styled by Esther as well, I'll be posting on that. StyledbyEsther_. I'm sure Bun Girl will be posting about it too, so that is Lucky Fellow on Instagram. Follow the Styled by Esther Facebook page also, and we will be able to give the information there. But I look forward to you seeing in the next video with the top 30, and I hope you like what I end up coming up with.
It's very, very
different.
Different.
Yeah, well, it has to be. Yeah, so obviously Styled by Esther is a drag queen and a lady, pretty lady, but for this, it's more me as Kristian doing, coming up with creative makeup. So it is going to be female, like drag, female drag, whatever, but alternatives and all that kind of shit.
Yeah.
Yeah. So we'll see what happens.
It'll be avant-garde.
Yeah. See you in the next video. Thank you. Oh, my name's Esther.
My name's Bun Girl.
And together we are Esther and Bun Girl. I need to sing it. Oh, shit. You're a bitch. No, that might be cute.
Yeah.
Alright. Oh, shit. Let's get these wigs done and then I'll go.
Can I continue with the rest of my day, please?
Yeah.
Stop distracting me. You're a distraction to me.